welcome to Eat Easton. You know I love mac and cheese, and today my mom is making white pasta and with some peas and the yummy pasta sauce, and it's so tasty.
Alright, are you ready to see how we cook it, Om?
Yep, let's see.
Alright guys, here our pan is heating up. Once your pan is hot, then the process begins. So we are going to add some butter. Alright. So we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of butter here. I simply make sure that my pan is hot and I'll add in butter in the pan like this. So more butter, of course, yummy it's going to be. And once the butter is in, it's melting. You can see how nice it's looking. I'm going to add some flour. Normally all-purpose flour is recommended, but we are going to keep it a little bit healthy-ish. So I'm adding a regular atta flour, regular flour we use to make rotis. So make sure it's mixed well. And I'm going to throw in some salt. Look at that, sauce is already looking beautiful. Now adding in our milk, salt. So pinch of salt is in. Add in some peas. I want kids to have some peas, so peas are in. So imagine how tasty these peas are if they are in like this buttery, cheesy sauce. Next I'm adding coconut milk. Everything is cooking on low heat. And kids are getting hungry. You can hear them screaming in the background. Food is almost ready, children. Give me a couple minutes. And I'm gonna add in some cheese in it, but I want the pasta to be fully coated with cheese. So I'm going to add in my pasta in as well. Mac and cheese, who doesn't like that? Mix, mix, mix. Cheese is going to melt. Look at that. So dish ready in few minutes. Everyone in the family loves it. It's very comforting. It's not healthy, but it's delicious. And sometimes we sacrifice tasty food over healthy food. All right, here it is. How does that look? And a pinch of black pepper. Kids are hovering around. They are ready to dig in. So I'm going to go ahead and serve them this delicious pasta. You give this mac and cheese, try it in your own home, and I hope you guys love it. Thanks for watching Eat Easton, guys. We will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.